Hello guys. Today in this session we are going to discuss about two-factor authentication with Cisco Duo uh, with with along with the configuration with Palo Alto firewall, and we'll be configuring the GlobalProtect, that is SSL VPN client, uh, along with integration with Cisco Duo 2FA. So first of all, what we require is we need to make an admin portal to the Cisco Do, and similarly we need one proxy authentication server that will be provided by the Cisco Do itself, and another one is we're going to integrate the AD user, that is the LDAP user, by using the Microsoft Active Directory. So we'll be binding that uh, LDAP users along with the Cisco too. So first of all, let's move on to the Cisco do portal. So we need to create one account first of all. So we'll be using a trial version. So start trial version. Okay, so I'll just skip this part. Okay, so registration has been completed. So let's check with the mail. So I'll just verify my email. Okay, so continue. I'll create one password. So now what I need to do is okay, so okay, I need to download the Do app in my mobile. So I'll just go with this. So I need to capture. So okay, I'll just go with this link. So okay, next, and get a notification or code on your device. So okay, I'll choose with this one, and I'm going to keep my number here. So this is my, so I need to check this again. So so I'll just go with another way. So okay, we need to just download the client, that is Do mobile app. So I'll just scan the code. So this is the code, and I just want to go with this link. Just a minute. So the pay, okay, this is the code. Okay, there is gateway timeout here. Okay, skip for now. Okay, I'll just do skip for now. And this is my number here, so I'll just text. So I'm not getting code. Try again. Text me. Okay, now I have got my code. It's 7964 796, sorry, 797 674. Okay, good to go. So okay, my Go admin panel has been configured now. So I'll just move on with this. So this is my email. So I'll just save this one, and I'm going to put my password here. So again, I need to configure my identity once again. Okay, so this is my code, that is 467316. Okay, submit. So this is our admin portal. So I'll just remove this one. So first of all, what we need to do is, so I'll just add an application for Palo Alto SSL pin. So that is, so okay. Okay, I'm not going with single sign-on, so I'll just go with 2FA. So protect. Now this information is required in the proxy server, so we'll require this one later on, this information. So global policy. Okay, okay, test CP. I'll just keep with this name, and okay, okay, this is enough, and I'll just download the authentication proxy. Okay, here is our authentication proxy, so you can download from this KB also. Okay, now this is the link. So copy link. So I'll directly go with my authentication server. So I've just configured the authentication server. So I'll just install the file here, and similarly, this is my AD server. So I've already configured the AD. There is admin user, test user, similarly another one user. So we'll be dealing with these users later on. So okay, so it is now configured. So what we need to do is we need to configure all the parameters within this file. So it is located inside the program files and Deos security authentication proxy folder. Similarly, configuration and finally this auth proxy.cfc. So we need to configure every parameter here. So all the parameter is given here in the here below. So we need to configure everything here as per the KB. You can just uh, follow the official KB. So okay, so I think it is installed. Okay, next. So it will directly show the authentication configuration file here. So this is the portal. So we need to just start the services uh, to to make the authentication proxy work perfectly. So similarly, uh, the file is located in this proxy configuration and this is the file. The window is for the same configuration file. So so we can just directly go with the configuration. So this is for the AD, that is LDAP, and similarly this one is for the Redis server configuration. So the Redis IP will be the GlobalProtect interface configured IP. So similarly, the parameter will be extracted from the Do admin portal itself. So okay, so I'm just going with the configuration. So our AD IP is it's 63 192.168.109.63. Similarly, what I want is I need to set the advanced feature. Okay, not advanced feature action. Okay, this one is fine. Properties, attribute editor, and so our DC is abhiaab and .com. Okay, so this is the information required here. So the host is 192.168.109.63. Similarly, the uh, admin user is administrator, and I'll just keep the password here. This password is this one, and so as per the domain name, so we need to keep this one, comma and come. Okay, so this is fine. So if you need any additional feature regarding the security groups, so you can just visit with the KB. So okay, you can find it here down below. So okay, so you can just explore more about this one. So I'll just skip this part for now. And the information, so I was talking before, so I need to grab this information. So our integration key is this one. Okay, and our uh, key. Okay, secret key is this. Okay, and the API host here is hostname. Okay, this one. So similarly, our uh, Palo Alto Global Protect interface IP. So I'll just go with this one. So this is the interface. So so at this phase, I assume that you are well known about the interface zones, and similarly, you are you know how to configure the global protect gateways and portals. So for the gateway, I have just configured this interface. So my Redis client will be this. So I'll just use this IP. So I'm just giving a secret key as password. Okay, this is fine. And this one will just leave this one as default, and the client AD client. So this client will call the AD client this parameter from here. So okay, all the information that is stored in the AD client variable will be called here. So and the default port for Redis is 1812. So this is fine. So okay, I'm just going to save the configuration once, and I'll just validate with the configuration. So okay, so if there is any issue, so it will just pop out here. So okay, I don't think there is any issue here. So okay, we're good to go. So now what I need to do is I need to sync the users from AD here. So we need to go with directory sync. So you have several options here. So if you have configured the AD in Azure, so you can just go with this Azure AD. And regarding the Open LDAP here, so we're going with Active Directory. So add new connection, continue. So okay, so this is the parameters. So we need to add in within the authentication proxy. So since our cloud is not connected with the authentication proxy, so for for this we need to add additional parameter so that the ID information will be synced with this cloud. So if you see here, so okay, this is required. So down below, save and validate. So I need to just start the proxy server here. Okay, now it's running. Everything is fine here. So I'll just go here and add the host name of AD. It's 63. Its port is 338. Sorry, 389. And DC equals to DC equals to .com. Okay, this is fine, and I'll just keep everything as default and save. Searching the directory file, please validate that it is joined to the directory's domain. Okay, so I think I missed this part. Hmm. Okay, I just need to add username and password also. So I'll just test the connection once again. So okay, I'll just miss this part. So we can just keep the username and password as this one, since this is the username and password of our AD. And one thing, so I forgot to mention that you need to have a proper working internet connection from your authentication proxy to your uh, cloud, Cisco Do admin portal. So everything is fine here. So now I'll just sync. So still it's showing as not connected. Okay, so our ADIP is 63. Okay, so I think I forgot to restart the proxy server. Okay, let's check once again. Okay, now it's connected. So every time if you change the parameter, you need to just restart the proxy. So I'll just save this one, and now I'll go to users. So you need to just sync the user here. So now we have just already connected the AD here. So AD sync. Okay, now I'll just sync the user. So I just want my user from the domain users. So I'll just keep this everything as default. Okay. So if you want to sync the user, sync now. Okay, there is only one group. Okay, domain user, administrator. I just want to sync the administrator to save, sync now. So okay, there is one user that is administrator, I think. So okay, what I'll do is domain users. Users, distributed com users. Okay, let's check this one once. Sync now. Still it's not showing, since we have there I think we have 3 users there. Guest users. Okay, okay, users. So I think I missed this one. Four groups. Okay, let's check here. Okay, only administrators have been synced here. So regarding groups, okay, domain users. I'll just check with the users once. So properties, profile account. Okay, it's domain user. Okay, I'll just keep the permission as administrator for now. Similarly, another user, member of. I'll just add another new user here. So do test, do admin. Okay, I think there is another user. Do do do. Okay. Yeah, sorry, this one. Do. So okay. So I'll just sync once again. Add user. Okay, direct sync. Sorry. Now there you go. 3 users. So okay, now and by default, you can just click this one. So if this user have by default the email address, you can send the enrollment email to their email address. So okay, 3 user is synced here. Users, right? Okay, so there are 3 users for now. I think one user is still left. I think there is one user to. Oh, sorry. I think I won't give permission here. Member of. So you can just plan with the permission later on as per your company policy. So sync now. So okay, 4 users have been synced here. So we can just move on to the user, and what I need to do is I'll just go with this user. So I'll just go here and add the phone number or something. Okay, so I think there is no any option for email here. So what I do is, what I'll do is, so mm, okay, So I'll just go with the number for now. So you can just add the email number and sync with the directory. So for now, I'll just add the number here. So I'll be just going with the, so I just don't need the device name here. So I'll just do, okay, let's do save changes, and I'll go with activate to mobile. So I'll generate to mobile activation code. So you can just send with the email also here. So you can just go from here, or either you can go for SMS. So I'll just go for SMS. So I've just received message here. So I'll just hide my pin once. So you can just see here. So here is the link. So I just need to go here. So this will add account to the Duo admin portal. So adding your account to Duo mobile tab where you are not to redirect. Okay, so I'll just press this link since I'm not being redirect to the destination. I don't know why it's taking too long time. Okay, so I think oh, okay, so sorry, I missed to install the Duo mobile app. So I just need to download it first. Duo mobile app. So I'll just go with this link, and after with this app, and uh, after pressing this link, it will redirect to the app. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, I'll just go with this one. Account linked. Okay, for now I'll skip. Allow notifications and continue. Okay, so and do by default will block the screenshots, so I'll just enable this. So this is my passcode, so this will be required whenever I try to log in with the uh, Palo Alto, or required for two-factor authentication, or I may get the push notification here. So I'll just go with this one. So everything is fine with the do configuration. So we're just moving to the Palo Alto site. So what we need to configure first is I need to go with the authentication profile. So I've already mentioned that I think you are uh, aware about the gateway and portals. I assume that you know how to configure the Palo Alto, sorry, GlobalProtect gateways and portals. So I'll just go with the authentication tab. So this is Radius. So I'll just keep to test Radius. I'll just keep 30 seconds, and its authentication protocol is PAP. name is do2fa, and my Redis server is, so my Redis server is 109.67. My secret is normal password p@ssw0rd. So the port is default. Okay, the port is default. Okay, don't update, and I need to make one authentication profile. So uh, this I'll call in gateway and portals. So auth profile due. Okay, so its type is radius. The profile is just made do test radius, so I don't require any user domain, so I'll just keep username modifier as default. Factors, so I don't require any factors for now. So I'm regarding advanced, so I'll just allow all the user for now. Okay, this is fine. And authentication profile is fine. Similarly, I need to go with gateways, so I need to call the profile here, authentication profile. Okay, and another thing is you need to go okay, so you need to just enable this generate cookies for authentication override both. Okay, um, okay, similarly in portals also I want to enable the two-factor authentication. So authentication to the profile is this one. Similarly here also agent client, and just enable this generate cookies for authentication override and the second option also. Okay, and you need to just give the certificate as you generated before for the GlobalProtect. So okay, this will be fine. So similarly, I've already configured everything regarding the zones policy, and this last policy is gonna help us to connect with the VPN. So this is fine. So I'll just commit and check the communication configuration once with the CLI, and finally we will be connecting with the GlobalProtect. Okay, so the configuration is completed. So I'll just test with the connection first. Test authentication profile, and our profile is auth prof, and our username. So okay, I'll just go with one username from AD, that is Joe, this one just created before. Password, Okay, sorry. So I need to check the user for which I've just okay, do that is fine. Mm, okay, okay. You can just verify here. So I've just got a push notification from the uh, in the app. So I'll just approve. So okay, now my authentication succeed against the radiation. This one. So everything is fine here. So I'll just again check the uh, connection so that okay. So another thing is what we can do is, so if I don't want a push notification, so I just I can go directly by the passcode here. So you can see here. So if I go with my password, and in Cisco do we need to separate the passcode by using comma, and then 834794. So if I don't require any push notification, I can go by this way also. So password paste. Okay, I need to check this once again. So I think there is some mistake here. Okay, I think there is some password mistake. So I'll just verify once again by doing a normal push notification. Okay, so okay, now my connection is passed. So I'll just verify with the passcode. So okay, there was one issue here. So I don't know why my passcode didn't work. Yeah, so what I did was I just removed this, deleted this connection, and I again reactivated my Duo activation from the portal itself. So this is my new passcode generated. So I'll be just testing with this once. So test authentication profile, auth profile, and username that is Joe. So okay, let's keep it here. P at the rate system. So my code is 144 Okay. So 144715. Okay. Control C. So password, and now I need to enter. So let's check the connection. So okay, you can see here. So authentication succeed against Redis server, this one. So one thing I forgot to tell you, so regarding the egress port, so according to your infrastructure, you might need to change this one. So what you need to do is, so for service route configuration, so since this is my okay, let me show you. So this is my GlobalProtect configured interface. So my service route for Redis will be from the same interface itself. So I've just configured here. So this is the interface. So you might need to change this one. So for me, in my case, so I need to change to this source interfaces. So okay, so now we have successfully completed the uh, the config connection with the passcode. So once again, I'll like to verify with the push notification. So for push notification, I'll just use my password. So I'll get the push notification in my app. So okay, approve. So now the connection is fine. So similarly, once again, for the passcode, I'll refresh the passcode, and my password separated by comma 821602. Okay, so okay, I think I just missed my password, so I'll just again refresh this one. Come on, 03090. Okay, okay, so you can see here authentication succeed for do the user. So everything is set for now. So what I need to do is I just need to connect with the GlobalProtect. So first of all, I'll go with my client. So this is my client PC. So I'll just verify the connection with Palo Alto GB portal 8119200. So I'm able to ping. Similarly, let's browse the portal itself. So it's HTTPS 192.168.109.201. So okay, I'm able to browse the portal. So one thing, I'll just use the okay passcode first. So for passcode, I'll refresh the connection. Similarly, uh, okay. So my username is Joe. My password at the rate ssw0rd, comma 035793. So I'm gonna log in. So boom. So I'm able to log in here. So similarly, so if I want to log in through the uh, push notification, so I need to do is do the simple password. So okay, I'll just get notification. So this is okay, approve, connection done. So I'll just download the agent first. So okay, I'll install it first. So I didn't require any portal for now. Okay, next. Okay, continue. Okay, so okay, I'll not restart the. I don't want to restart for now. So okay, so my username. Okay, I'll just check the connection once. Okay, so my IP is this one. So connect and my username. So first I'll go with the passcode. So it's Joe password separated by comma 806432. Okay, okay, so I'm being connected to the GlobalProtect gateway. Now, okay, so I'm connected. So there is no any issues. So similarly, I want to connect through the push notification once. So, okay, I think the connection is saved here. Disconnect. Okay, okay. So my username is Joe password. So I'll get notification push. I think the session is saved here. Okay, so let's check. So okay, I think the session is saved here. So I'll just uh, sign out from this one first. Okay, sign out. Okay, okay. So once again, I want to reconnect. Okay, so there is push notification. So saved. Okay, so everything is fine now. So okay, let's wrap everything. So what we did was we just configured the Cisco Duo admin portal, and similarly we configured the Cisco authentication proxy server here, and we just sync the users from AD to the admin portal. So these are the synced users, and we bind these users to send the notification push, and similarly the passcode for 2FA, and we just tested with the CLI one, and similarly we tested with the GUI, that is Global Protect VPN client. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so with the client, and we're now connected with the uh, VPN client. So this is all for this session. So stay tuned, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.